Today I'll be showing you how I made this SUV mattress for my overlanding Hummer H3 out of a mattress topper. Let's get to it. I'm here at my local Fred Meyer, which is just a general store. Got a couple of foam pieces to start on this mattress. There will be a seam straight down the center line with one of these sheets on either side. So I'm going to notch this section out here, which will allow me to butt it up nice against this panel and the passenger side rear door. Now I'll just use a Sharpie to map all of these cuts out. I'm going to use the hot wire cutter to slice this up nicely. Lay the second one down and I'll mirror this first one onto it. And this will give me a nice, even finished product. Now we'll go ahead and cut this one out using the hot wire saw, and I'll be able to lay them each down and see what final adjustments I need to make. With the foam all cut up, it looks really great. It fits in here well. I could throw a fitted sheet over the top and call it good. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out our Patreon page if you want to play a bigger role in developing more H3 content.